Ladies and gentlemen, we have effectively concluded the 51st Pacific Islands Forum and related meetings, as well as the 50th anniversary celebration of the Pacific Islands Forum and the launch of the 2050 strategy of the Blue Pacific continent. We started this week with the primary purpose of delivering a safe, meaningful, and successful summit for all our forum leaders. I'm very pleased to say that we successfully met the goal due to your tremendous effort. A big Vinaka to every single one of you. Vinaka, please put your hands together for yourself. Thank you to all the agencies and ministries that took on this mammoth task and worked many times within the perimeters of limited resources to make this an unforgettable experience for our Pacific brothers and sisters. To Secretary General Puna, sir, and the staff of the Pacific Islands Forum, this was not the first time for the Secretariat to host the event. However, it was the first time after a pandemic, and it was wonderful to have the leaders back at the Forum Secretariat headquarters here in Suva. To all the Cabinet Ministers, Minister Koya, for deputizing on my behalf with the Minister of Foreign Affairs meeting and other related meetings, the Attorney General and other Cabinet Ministers that represented Fiji or organized events during the week, and those ministers who assisted with meet and greets and the farewelling of our visitors, visiting guests at the airport. To all the permanent secretaries, the Commander RFMF, Commissioner of Police and Commissioner of Prison, who are hard at work behind the scenes, and most importantly, their officials, most of whom are here, while some are still hard at work, ensuring visiting leaders are safely farewelled today, tomorrow, and into the weekend. I also want to thank those that were brought in specifically to assist in ensuring our program, budget and food met the standards required for an event of this magnitude. The General Manager and staff of the Grand Pacific Hotel and the Suva Holiday Inn for going above and beyond to make our leaders stay comfortable. You all have my deepest appreciation and gratitude. I'm very proud of what we have been able to achieve together in the last week. All of you carried out your duties with pride and the highest level of professionalism, showing our visitors our true Fijian hospitality. I also applaud our development partners and non-state actors for their contributions and assistance towards making this a successful meeting. It has not been easy trying to unite a region while it faces a host of multifaceted challenges, but that task was made much easier knowing I have a united team behind me, a united Team Fiji. Nasa Walewa, thank you and God bless you all.
The Honourable Josiah Voreqe Bainimarama, Prime Minister of Fiji and Chair of the Pacific Islands Forum, and your good wife. Senior officials who are with us, ladies and gentlemen, and I should add, all the proud Fijians who are here tonight. Pula Vinaka, and thank you for joining the Prime Minister on this important occasion. I do believe that everyone must be well and truly tired listening to so many speeches over the past week. So I will be very, very brief. And if I'm not, please interject and tell me to shut up. But I really wanted to take a few minutes to reflect on what has happened this past week and to congratulate the Prime Minister of Fiji, the Forum Chair, for the excellent job that he has done. Sir, the leadership that you've shown in what has been a trying time in keeping our family together has been really excellent. Notwithstanding the various issues that you have faced, health issues at the beginning of the year, the pandemic recovery, and the problems that plagued our family internally. Quite apart from the responsibility of running your country and your government, you have done a fantastic job. And I'm sure that when we look back in history, we can truly say that Bainimarama's vision for this forum has been well and truly achieved. We have succeeded in reflecting on our history, 50 years of regionalism, 50 years of being a forum family. The various artworks, the displays, the videos that we have seen, all brought back vividly our history as one family. And then Prime Minister and the Forum Chair was able to re-energize the commitment of the family to one another. That was a very difficult task, and it's not quite finished yet. But given the leadership that Prime Minister Bainimarama has shown so far, I have every confidence that he will achieve that. And then lastly, to have a magnificent celebration last night. To wrap it all up, when we launched our North Star, the 2050 strategy. That was beautiful programming, Prime Minister. And you could see the warmth from where we were sitting up the front last night, coming from the people that were there. Their pleasure, their pride at seeing something so important to guide us into the future. So I don't think words can express just how much appreciation we in the region feel, not only to your Prime Minister, but also to the people of Fiji. Prime Minister was so correct. You all have performed your tasks magnificently and professionally, and you should all be proud of yourself, as I know your Prime Minister is proud of all of you. I think the leaders who were here will come expecting the same in Rarotonga. Good luck, Peru, and your team in making sure that you at least match what Fiji has shown everybody this past week. So on that note, Excellency, Mr. Prime Minister and Forum Chair, congratulations again. And may God bless you in your leadership of your country. And God bless all the Fijians who put your shoulders to the wheel and made this a very successful 51st Pacific Islands Forum. God bless you all and thank you.